I am obsessed with this Tripped travel gear brand. I have so many of their compression cubes. I have their cord management system. I love all the products they make. And this is their toiletry bag. So I want to show you everything about this because this company always does such a great job of being really thoughtful of how they design their products. So first of all, you can see you've got a pretty heavy duty hook here so you can hang it up. And in the back, there's also these two straps as well. So you can use those as different hooks. You can slide it through something, right? It just gives you a little bit more versatility there in the back with these two. And then the very front has this mesh pocket here, which actually has quite a bit of stretch. You can see that. So you could pack a few things right in here, and it's not like super see-through, so you're not gonna it's not gonna look junky with all your things in there, but just enough to give you a little bit of stretch. Inside, we're gonna open up the zippers here, and we've got a few different goodies inside. The first one is this clear bag here, which unzips nicely. It has maybe like an inch here at the bottom. So this is perfect for like your little tiny tubes of like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, things like that in here. And of course, right, it's perfect for TSA because it's clear, it's easy to see through, zip up really nicely. So that's a great little bag. So you can put that right in here, or you could travel with that separately. And then there's also this bag in here too, which unzips from the top. You've got a whole extra bag here as well with another hanging strap there. So again, there's so many things inside this tiny little compartment to just make your traveling really, really easy. Okay, so now for the actual hanging bag itself, here's what the inside looks like, and let's go through all the different elements. On the top, a zipper here, and you've got another pocket. There's no like other compartments inside this pocket, but it's pretty deep. I'd say, 3-4 inches in here. And then right below it is another zippered pocket, and this one is like this type of mesh here, so you can again put a lot of little things in here. See, I think this would be perfect for makeup, so you can kind of see what you're grabbing in there. And then below that, another pocket here, and this actually you can see goes to the front mesh that you just opened here. So when you have it closed like that, right, this first mesh pocket that I showed you, right, you can put your things here, but then when you open it up, this pocket is the same as if you close this side of it, you can open it from this way. So when you're traveling, you don't want to like open up your whole bag. You can put things in here that you want to access really quickly. So like, I'm just thinking like maybe like a fingernail clipper or something. If you want to grab that really quickly, throw it in here because you can access it from the outside, but then also it'll be right here from the inside too. And then below that one, you've got two mesh pockets, and they're separated here in the middle, so you can keep your things organized side by side there. And then finally, at the very bottom is another clear pouch here, so you can put more things in and see exactly what you have. And this one actually unclips here. So like just like this one, you can keep them separate if you wanted to. Then you have a smaller version of the bag that you can hook it on to have it even bigger. So there's so many different options with this toiletry bag. So I just love their gear because as you can see, they've really been thoughtful of like, what kind of pockets do you need? How can you interchange things, right? All the different gear that comes with this. So this is perfect for someone who is a light traveler. It's not huge, right? If you are the kind of person that travels with like all of your bathroom things normally, I'd say it's a little bit small to keep your entire typical bathroom in, but it really is the perfect size for your essentials on like a week-long trip. So if you're looking for a new toiletry bag, I love this product. I love this brand. I highly suggest you check this one out.